What's up everyone? Down here at Westbrook Beach today in the afternoon. Well, I was sitting at home and decided just to come down here to relax a little bit and just de-stress. Check if we can pick up some fish here. The water doesn't look too bad. It's a high tide coming down, and I'm gonna try to put a sea lice bait in my spot here. See if I can get some sea lice that are over there. Got the net here. There's it over here, the net. I didn't bring any bait because I didn't have any, and it's a Sunday, so shops are closed, fishing shops. Not gonna be able to get bait anywhere. And let's check what we can get. Hi everyone, you already know Kuma Wave Power, Kuma Metalloid, and what is sucks, only managed to get one little sea lice. For trace, just even forgot the bait box using a log. But for trace, I tied this quickly back at the house. Double look trace, float on top. No floats on the bottom. Size 1 hooks, 3-ounce sinker. I'm gonna put this little sea lice on the bottom, and I have some grey prawns left over. If you guys watched the last video, you'll know I was doing grey prawns for bait. So I have a few left over. I'm gonna put a grey prawn on the top hook with the float, and the sea lice on the bottom. Let's hopefully we can get that pull. Let's put the bait in. So, just took a grey prawn, split it, put it on the hook and cottoned that on. And then took another grey prawn, a smaller one, and mashed that one up and cottoned that one over the first prawn really loosely. So all the oils and smells come out. And this is just that sea lice bait. Let's put these baits in and check which one gets the pull. How's this everyone? So fishing, I had a bite, and where's this here? Over the hook. So something definitely had that there. So take the net, just go down there quickly. You guys would have seen in the video. That's what I got, these two buggers. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out that prawn on the top there and put a double sea lice. Let's check what we can get. So this is the bait here, guys. This is a top sea lice. Trace to get it a bit tangled, sort that out, just to film this part here. There's a top sea lice, which is a smaller one, and this nice big boy over here. Keep on getting messed in the sand, but I'm gonna push that hook out a little bit. There we go. Let's put the baits in, check what we can get. Full sea lice is in, guys. Let's check. Let's wait for that pull. I can feel it coming. Guys, I'm gonna be fishing Tillyman soon, so do expect a video there. If you guys know what fish and species are coming out that side, let me know. If you guys want me to try any baits or have anything to recommend, drop it down in the comments. I reply to all comments, so if you guys are liking the videos, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Sadly, today didn't produce any fish. I put those last 2 sea lice on and they came back untouched. But I will be trying again soon. Guys, expect a video around next week. Not next week, the following week sometime is when next I'll be posting. So make sure you guys are subscribed and put your notifications on so you guys know when I post. Because I'm going to be trying to post weekly. So 1 video per week. And thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel and showing the channel support. I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.